Zombieland Saga. Zombieland Saga Japanese, Zombiranda Saga, Hepburn, Zombirando Saga is an anime television series produced by MAPPA, Avex Pictures and Cygames. The series aired in Japan between October and December 2018. A second season titled Zombieland Saga Revenge will premiere on April 8, 2021. A manga adaptation that loosely follows the events of the anime began serialization on Cygames' Psychomi website in October 2018. Plot: in the year 2008, high school student Sakura Minamoto is abruptly killed by a truck on the morning she plans to submit an idol application. 10 years later, Sakura, along with 6 legendary girls from various eras of Japan's history, are brought back as zombies by a man named Kotaro Tatsumi, who seeks to revitalize Saga Prefecture by putting together an all-zombie idol group known as Franchouchu. Characters: Franchouchu. Franchouchu Furenshushu is an idol group founded by Kotaro Tatsumi and composed of 7 legendary idols from different time periods that he brought back to life as zombies with the goal of reviving Saga's declining idol business. Because of the possibility of being persecuted should their identities be exposed, Sakura Minamoto and Sakura Minamoto Sakura. Voiced by Keed Hondo Japanese, Brina Palensha English. Portrayed by Sakiho Matanishi. A high school girl and aspiring idol who dies in 2008 after being hit by a truck following a rather dull life. She is the first of the zombies to regain consciousness after being resurrected, but initially retains no recollection of her life, only remembering parts of her past when she performs until she fully regains her memories. Her idol nickname is Zombie1 Zonbiani Hao, Zonbiakai Go. Saki Nikado or Jai Tang Saki, Nikado Saki. Voiced by Asami Tano Japanese, Caitlin Glass English. Portrayed by Yuria Suzuki. A delinquent girl and leading member of the all-female biker gang Dorami, which conquered the entire Kyushu region before her death during a chicken race in 1997. She is the appointed leader of Franchouchu. Her idol nickname is Zombie2 Zombiatwo Hao, Zonbii Nai Go. AI Mizuno Shui AI, Mizuno AI. Voiced by Risa Tainda Japanese, Bryn April English. Portrayed by Ri Matsuoka. The former lead performer of Iron Frill, a 2008 idol group Sakura idolized in life. Not wanting to be remembered only for her tragic death, she resolves to work hard in her second chance at life. Her idol nickname is Zombie3 Hao, Zonbii San Go. Junko Kano Gan Yi Chunzai, Kano Junko. Voiced by Maki Kawase Japanese, Amanda Lee English. Portrayed by Yuna Kitahara. A soft-spoken idol from the Showa period who was popular during the 1980s before dying in a plane crash. Coming from an era without social media, she has reservations towards personally interacting with her fans. Her idol nickname is Zombie4 Zombie for How, Zonbii Yan Go. Ujiri. Voiced by Rika Kinugawa Japanese, Stephanie Young English. Portrayed by Miyoka Sakamoto. And Warren, who lived between the Bakumatsu and the Meiji Restoration eras in the 19th century. She has a bad habit of criticizing others for giving up, even if they do not have such thoughts in the first place. Her idol nickname is Zombie5 Zombie5 Hao, Zonbii Go Go. Lily Hoshikawa Xingchuan Ririi, Hoshikawa Ririi. Voiced by Minami Tanaka Japanese, Sarah Whedon Heft English. Portrayed by Rin Takanashi. A prodigious transgender child actress, born Masao Gohao Zhengxing, Go Masao, who died from a heart attack caused by occupational stress and mental shock upon growing facial hair in 2011. She has no qualms about being a zombie, seeing it as a way to continue being a child forever. Her idol nickname is Zombie6 How, Zombie Roku Go. T Yamada Shan Tian T Yamada T. Voiced by Kotono Mitsuishi Japanese, Don M. Bennett English. Portrayed by Asami Morita. The only legendary girl with no other title, and the only zombie who has yet to regain her human consciousness. She is the one who officially names the group Franchouchu, which is derived from her sneezing. Her idol nickname is Zombie0 How, Zombie I0 Go. Supporting characters: Kataro Tatsumi Zungzing Tai Lang, Tatsumi Kataro, voiced by Mamoru Miyano Japanese, Riko Fajardo English. Portrayed by Noriyuki Ohashi. A manic producer and necromancer who resurrects Sakura and the other girls as zombies to revitalize Saga Prefecture by forming the idol group Franchouchu, tentatively titled Death Musume, and Green Face by him. He is a skilled makeup artist, able to make the zombies look like normal humans during their public appearances. He also carries a supply of dried squid with him to appease the zombies. It is eventually revealed that he is Sakura's former high school classmate named Inui Gan, and that he wants to make her dream come true. Romero, voiced by Yasuhiro Takato Japanese, Alejandro Saab English. Kataro's undead pet toy poodle. Male Kappa Jingcha Guan A. Keisatsuken A. Voiced by Hiroyuki Yoshino Japanese, Austin Tyndall English. Unnamed police officer who repeatedly encounters Sakura and the other undead girls. Related with Franchouchu. Takeo Go Hao Gangxing, Go Takeo. Voiced by Tsuyoshi Koyama Japanese, Christopher Sabat English. The ex-manager and father of Lily. He is a large man whose face is often mistaken for that of a yakuza. Ryaiko Amabuki Tien Chui Lai Zai / Wu Dao Lai Zai Amabuki Ryaiko. Voiced by Kamina Matsushita Japanese, Colleen Klinkenbeard English. First captain of the motorcycle gang Dorami, who retired to give birth to Maria and lead a normal life. She saves a photo with Saki and the Tamagotchi she used to use and owns her old motorcycle locked up. Shinta Akoba da Gu Changzin Tai, Akoba Shinta. Voiced by Toru Nara Japanese, Kent Williams English. A chief reporter who works alongside his photographer Inuhashi. Both began investigating the band after recognizing Junko in the drive-in Tori commercial. Master Masuta. Voiced by Hachu Otsuka Japanese, R. Bruce Elliott English. The master of Bar New Jafuku, a mature man with a beard. Unknown real name. Tatsumi is an old friend, and he knows about the Zombieland Saga project. He has a deep knowledge of Hagakure and other things, and the conversation with Tatsumi in episode 11 suggests that he had a relationship with Yujiri in his life. The name of the bar New Jafuku is a clear reference to the legend of the same name in the Saga Prefecture. Jafuku is the Japanese name of Zufu, Qin Shi Huang's court sorcerer, who was ordered by his chief to search for an elixir of the immortals from Ankisheng on the top of the mythical Mount Pinglai. Production. Cygames announced the series in collaboration with FX Pictures on July 5, 2018. The series is directed by Munehisa Sakai and written by Shigeru Murakoshi, with animation by Studio Mappa. The series character designs are provided by Kasumi Fukugawa. Kazuo Agura is the art director. Takashi Yanagida is serving as director of photography, as Yusa Sasaki is the color designer, and Masahiro Goto is editing the series. Yasuharu Takanashi is composing the series' music, which is produced by Avex Pictures, while Dugout is producing the sound. The opening and ending theme songs respectively are Edabana Necromancy 2 Hua Nekuromanshi, Edabana Nekuromanshi, lit. Fruitless Necromancy and Hikari Iguang lit. To the Light, both performed by Franchouchu Kid Hondo, Asami Tano, Risa Tanda, Maki Kawase, Rika Kinugawa, and Minami Tanaka. The 12-episode series aired between October 4 and December 20, 2018, and was broadcast on at X, Tokyo MX, Sun TV, B11, Saga TV, and TVQ. The series was simulcast outside of Asia with Japanese audio and English subtitles by Crunchyroll and with English audio by Funimation. An uncut version of the dub that translates the main songs from the anime series was eventually released by Funimation at the end of 2019. MediaLink licensed the first season in Southeast Asia and South Asia, and streamed it on Netflix, Aniplex Asia, and Bilibili, while Muse Communication holds the distribution rights to the second season. The opening and ending themes were both released as singles paired with Fantastic Lovers and Jellyfish respectively, both sung by Iron Frill AI Mizuno's in-universe pre-Franchouchu idol group on November 28, 2018, and they charted at #13 and #19 respectively in the Oricon Singles Chart on December 10, while the opening theme single topped the Billboard Japan Download Songs chart on the same day. On July 27, 2019, it was announced that the series is getting renewed for a second season, titled Zombieland Saga Revenge. On February 27, 2021, it was revealed that MAPPA would animate the new season, which is set to premiere on April 8, 2021 on at X and other channels. The main staff and cast members are returning to reprise their roles. The opening and ending theme songs respectively are Tagayo Tomo Nai Nate Cure Da Hiyo Gong Nai Kai I Cure, lit. O Saga, Cry With Me, and Yumo Ti Nai, Motoru Basho Mo Nai Hibayo Meng Wo Shu Nai, Lai Riru Chang Suo Manai Rai Wo, lit. Spending the Days with a Dream and Nowhere to Go Home, both performed by Franchouchu. Crunchyroll will stream the series with subtitles, and Funimation will stream the series dubbed in English. Episodes. Reception. Steve Jones of Anime News Network described the revelation of Lily's gender identity as the episode's biggest talking point, and described her death as the most bizarre detail of her past and coming across like slapstick. Kate O'Neill of the Fandom Post gave the episode Go Go Neverland Saga an A, stating it's so incredibly rare to see a transgender character in anime that isn't being a stereotype or played to some horrible trope that I missed it. Even rarer to show a supportive, loving parent of a transgender child. The Daily Dot described Lily as trans Twitter's latest role model. During a May 2019 session of the UK Parliamentary Joint Committee on Human Rights, where executives from Facebook and Twitter faced accusations over the way they handled abuse and harassment of parliamentarians on social media, Scottish National Party Member of Parliament Joanna Cherry cited, among several abusive tweets that were not removed swiftly by Twitter, one involving Lily Hoshikawa. Zombieland Saga won the 2019 Tokyo Anime Awards Festival Award for Animation of the Year. On August 12, 2019, the special Natsu no Saga, a documentary on the anime, featured Governor of Saga Yoshinori Yamaguchi cosplaying as major character Kotaro Tatsumi. Gadget Tsushin listed Nice Bird referring to the 5th episode and Masao Lily's birth forename in their 2019 anime buzzwords list. Other media. A manga adaptation by Megumu Soramichi began serialization on Cygame's Psychomi website on October 8, 2018. This manga iteration primarily focuses on Kotaro, however, but does tie in with the episodes from the anime, albeit from his perspective. A stage play based on the anime, Zombie Land Saga Stage de deux N, was set to be performed March 11 to 14, 2020, but was originally cancelled due to the worsening COVID-19 pandemic in Japan, and was then brought back to be run during the September of that year. It adapted the first 7 episodes of the anime series.